old bed basically just collapsed. These are not in the same spot. So, as you can see, our bed is gone. This is our bedroom, and our old bed basically just collapsed. So the frame got out. I'm gonna show you in here, and so the old bed frame is here, and it's smelling a little bit bad, like a basement or something like that. So I think it was a good idea to replace that. And the sides were a little bit curved, so the top was going inside the bed, so it wasn't so good anymore. So yeah, the new bed is gonna be good. Of course, it's gonna be the cheapest one you get from Ikea, but so I think it's gonna still work. Today there's gonna be the the guys from the town hall are gonna pick this trash up, and we're good to go. So this is how it goes in Spain. Call it the town hall, and they're gonna pick it up. So now I have the new bed frame in here, and actually it's almost 9:30 in the evening, so I think I need to be fast to make the bed ready for the night. And of course this is Ikea. And the whole bed is actually in here. Just need to put the slats on top of. This is like the cheapest one you will get. And I hope this will be still good enough to sleep on. So this is gonna be a big puzzle, you know. I think I'm gonna need the instructions for this. There's so many pieces in here, so I want to build it right at the first time. Is it this one? No? I think it's this one. Yep. Yeah. These bigger ones. I don't know why, but it looks different. What do you think? Like this? But in here, these are not in the same spot. You know? Maybe they're a little bit. I don't know. Let's see. Okay. What's next? These two. This should be symmetrical or identical. Are they? No? But I think I'm gonna count on Ikea, you know? Let's see. This might be the legs for the bed. So now we need the smaller ones in here. These need to be screwed together. This. I don't know. It's kind of look funny. I think this is correct.
think it makes sense. Now, I think we can trust on IKEA designers. So this should go like here. This?
I don't think so. No, 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 no. I don't think so. No, 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 no. It's never, ever, 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 ever gonna happen.
Like this. And now, the big screws. I think they're these, yeah. This will work. I think the hose should match. Just like this. No. Let's try this. These are the same. Okay, so this will go here. Yeah, this is the one here. Okay. No, these holes don't match. They are not correct. So this is not going there. The holes are like 1 centimeter away. These bolt holes. So is this one there? No. What is wrong? Something wrong in here now. Is this close? Yeah, it's not the easiest puzzle. Or is it? I think I might be the problem here, not the IKEA. So this should go like that. I don't know. I was trying to find these. I had to check on the film. I took this out from here, put it there. Okay. Almost, I think 1.5 hours. And it's almost 11 o'clock in the evening, so I need to throw the mattress in and get some sleep. I need to go to work tomorrow, so. But yeah, let's continue from here.